Most people think learning is all about talent. Some kids just get it, while others spend years believing something is wrong with them. But neuroscience reveals something completely different, something powerful. Your brain is not limited by ability, but by strategy. With a theoretical capacity of 2.5 petabytes, your mind is capable of storing the memories of a lifetime. And then some. You are not a weak learner. You're simply a powerful machine running the wrong software. Today, we update that software. The first breakthrough is spaced repetition, the method that literally rewires your brain while you sleep. Synapses, the bridges that store knowledge, strengthen at night. Not when you panic, not when you cram, while you sleep. This means you learn more by studying less. If the sessions are spaced apart, imagine planting seeds. Watering a tiny bit every day grows a forest. Drowning the soil in one day kills everything. Your brain works the same way. 15 minutes a day consistently can outperform 3 hours once a week. But learning gets even more powerful when you find your personal learning style. Some students draw diagrams instinctively because visuals anchor their memory. Some speak out loud because hearing their own voice creates stronger pathways. Some need background noise, while others need monk-level silence. One style is not superior, only different. The smartest learners are not the ones who try hardest, but the ones who study in their natural mode of processing. Then comes a pillar of learning everyone underestimates: sleep. Your brain is like a studio editor, working the night shift, organizing footage, removing useless clips, strengthening essential scenes. Without sleep, the brain can't save the file. This is why a rested mind outperforms a tired one, even with less study time. Learning plus sleep equals memory. Learning plus no sleep equals illusion of productivity. But in the modern world, the biggest enemy of intelligence is not lack of ability. It's distraction. Your phone, your notifications, your endless tabs, your background noise. Each one slices your attention into fragments. And once concentration breaks, it can take up to 20 minutes for your brain to regain deep focus. Imagine trying to run a marathon while someone taps your shoulder every 10 seconds. That's your brain on distraction. Turn off the noise and you unleash your real potential. Another tool in the brain's toolbox is the Pomodoro technique. 25 minutes of deep work, 5 minutes of rest. This method works because it respects human biology. Your focus comes in waves, not forever. Pomodoro resets those waves, keeping productivity alive without burning the system. Finally, one rule can change your entire day. Do the hard stuff first. Your willpower is strongest in the morning. Your mind sharp, your emotions stable. Finishing your hardest task early gives your brain a powerful sense of control, creating a mental tailwind that pushes you through the rest of the day. self-respect
1492,
grows,
Columbus sailed the
momentum
ocean blue.
grows,
He had
and
3
learning
ships,
stops
the Nina,
feeling like a
Pinta, and
burden
the Santa Maria.
and starts
So
feeling
remember,
like a
true
climb
mastery isn't
you
about the
can
hours you
win.
put in, but how you divide them. The 30-70 rule changes everything.
Now let's
Stand
go
at the
deeper
precipice
into
of
the
change.
engine of
If we
memory,
are to succeed,
how
we
the
must face the
brain
challenges ahead
transforms
with unwavering
information
resolve.
into identity. 3 activities have been proven to literally grow the brain: exercise, meditation, deep, meaningful conversations. Exercise increases blood flow and oxygen, feeding your neurons. Meditation strengthens your prefrontal cortex, the command center of focus and emotional stability. Conversation forces your brain to retrieve, explain, and reorganize knowledge. These 3 activities don't just help learning. They sculpt the brain itself. But one of the most surprising influences on memory is your environment. In a famous experiment, students who studied in 2 locations, one small and dark, the other large and bright, performed 40% better than those who studied in one room. Because your brain attaches memories to context. New environments create new anchors. Every shift in scenery becomes a bookmark. Then comes a truth many ignore. Emotions supercharge learning. When you enjoy something, your brain releases dopamine, a chemical that says, "Save this." That's why joyful learning sticks, while stressful studying evaporates. Fun is not the opposite of discipline. Fun is fuel. After that, we unlock long-term learning through spaced intervals. Review after 1 day, then 1 week, then 1 month. This simple rhythm pulls information from short-term memory into long-term storage. Without spacing, knowledge fades. With spacing, knowledge becomes part of you. But perhaps the most powerful shift in learning psychology is this. Your brain remembers what it retrieves, not what it receives. This is why the 30-70 rule works. 30% reading, 70% reciting, teaching, summarizing, explaining. If you can explain something clearly, it means your brain has built strong pathways. If you can't, the knowledge is still floating. This leads to another powerful tool: instant self-testing. A quick summary, a mini quiz,
Yes,
1
I
paragraph
did.
spoken aloud.
Streak.
Anything that makes the brain work strengthens memory up to 30%. Recognition is easy. Retrieval is mastery.
Woohoo!
Finally, we confront one of the deepest truths of the human mind. You cannot force motivation. You cannot command hunger, and you cannot command curiosity. Motivation is biological. If your brain resists, pushing harder creates burnout, not learning. The solution is simple. Pause, reset. Do something that revives your emotional energy. Motivation will return, and when it does, the learning speed is incredible. Your brain is not lazy. It's protective. It wants the right method, the right rhythm, and the right emotional climate. And once you understand its logic, learning becomes effortless, efficient, and even enjoyable. Think deeper. Learn smarter. Boost your brain. This is Brain Buds.